So what is up, everybody? This is a dollar talking all things cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, decentralized finance, cryptographic encryption, Bitcoin, altcoins, meme coins, and everything in between coins. Total crypto market cap at 2.77 trillion, volume at 91 billion. Things are taking a step back. Bitcoin at 80,777.7. ETH at 2,283, BNB at 661, XRP 144, and Solana at 94.85. Everything taking a step back. Solana was so close to hitting 100, but it fell just short. Fell just short. A little bit of drama out there on the timeline. GM Bark, good to see you. Scam Altman making a solid recovery, bottoming out at 5,000 market cap, or I guess that was 50K. Man, for some reason the Axiom market cap indicator has been fucked up lately. But this thing topped out at 2 million, currently at 1.3 million. Let's keep locking in. No more runners today. I just got here, just showed up to the market. Red Kitten Crew. Chat, we were here on the stream yesterday. We watched this when it mooned. We watched this when it retraced. Then it bounced, and now it's topped out at over $10 million market cap. Chat, Roaring Kitty's brother, Roaring Kitty, the famous leader of the people that rallied up the masses to make a ton of money during GameStop, the guy who pretty much orchestrated the whole GameStop squeeze, his brother hacked his X account and then launched a meme coin from the X account, then deleted the tweets, then came out and said that it was him. And when people found out that it was him, they ran it up anyways. Even after the coin got rug pulled, the brother has made literally so much money. 1,600 Solana he's made so far just on fees alone. That's over $150,000, chat. He made over $150,000 on fees alone. He literally just hacked his brother's Twitter. Could you imagine, chat? But it's crazy. $10 million at the top, still climbing. This is the closest we've got to Roaring Kitty since GameStop. He's famously stepped out of the public eye. But now this is pretty much it. This is it. Is it a rug? Yes and no. It's a rug in the sense that it was purported to be a real Roaring Kitty coin. That ended up being false. The coin dumped after that falsity. Lost $1 million, $2 million off the top. That was a rug. Then people started to run it back up. They did a community takeover because it turned out that the initial rug was perpetuated by none other than Roaring Kitty's brother himself. And at that point, they had to moon it. They had to moon it. Chat, show some love. Tap that screen. Drop a comment in the chat. Say anything, especially if you haven't typed anything. Put a W in the chat if you've been winning lately. Put an L in the chat if you've been losing lately. How have the trenches been for you today? Happy Tuesday, everybody. It's a pleasure to have you guys. We are locked in. Another day, another dollar. Good motion, good motion. A lot of wins in the chat. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Here's PAC. Public Asset Control. Definitely a rug pull. Definitely a fake chart. Definitely artificial volume. But it still went up though. Currently at 685,000 and climbing. Interesting. Audemars Piguet. Audemars Piguet. That's how you say it, right? Audemars Piguet has just unveiled their new watch. And it's this watch right here. It's a pocket watch. It's a pocket watch. Pretty fancy. Why do you ignore your chat? Chat, do I ignore my chat? Am I ignoring you guys? Sometimes. Yeah. Well, bucket. He says, I'm screaming Coven. Look at Coven. Well, I usually just ignore the posts that I just, like, if I see you in my chat and I just really don't give a fuck, then I'll ignore you. Like this coin, for example, this shit is dumb as fuck, bro. Like, this coin is stupid. I'm not gonna lie. This coin is stupid. 84,000 market cap, Coven Wersh, new Fed chair. This is slop, bro. It's literally slop. Get that shit out of here, bro. Let's keep locking in. Yo, it's good to see you, Oliver. Welcome. What the fuck? People don't understand there's one guy talking to a bunch of people. That's true. That's true. I mean, I have to sit here, for example, right now, we just got started, right? I've been here like less than five minutes ago. There's 60 people in here. So imagine a big room with 60 people. Everyone's trying to talk to one person. I just can't get to everyone, you know? Thoughts on lobster? Lobster. Like, the thing is, these coins are just so garbage, bro. And like, even just from looking at the ticker, I know that they're garbage. So that's why I ignore them, bro, admittedly. Like this right here, bro. At least it's at 7,000 market cap. But besides that, there's zero redeeming qualities about this coin. This is one of the worst coins I've ever seen in my entire life. If you invest in this, if you are still holding this, then my goodness gracious, good Lord, God Almighty, you are going to die broke, bro. This thing is going straight to zero, and you will never make a penny in your entire impoverished life if you hold on to this nonsense, okay? Let's keep looking around. We doing any soul giveaway, bro? You forgot to send mine last time. What do you mean forgot to send yours? That's cap, bro. That's omega cap. There's more than one Kevin Worst coin, by the way. Here's another one. Slightly lower market cap. This thing topped out at 200K. You dipped out of the stream. But which stream? Which Solana? I gave everybody... all the money is gone. Like, I gave it all away, so... We did 4-person giveaway and spun the wheel. Yeah, I gave all that money away, bro, so... I don't know what to say. You didn't win. Sorry. Better luck next time. World Cup coin looking good. I'm a little confused by it because we literally saw this yesterday at 20,000 market cap. And it was just sitting there. We looked at it briefly. We just mentioned it kind of. Now this thing is up at 1.6 million. I mean, this thing mooned out of nowhere. This thing was sitting on a super low market cap for a super low time. And then it just ripped. Did any of you guys catch this? Did any of you guys catch this? This, you had all day you could have got in on this. FOMO guys jumped on it. Cabal shit, bro. Yeah, I remember looking at this on my stream yesterday and it just wasn't going anywhere. And I was like, yeah, this shit's not going anywhere. But now it's absolutely mooned. So the FOMO cabal has started CTOing random shitcoins. That's interesting. That's interesting. I mean, this thing went up pretty high, 2.3 million at the top. Let's keep locking in. Predictor, you got 240K market cap right here. Why not been inching up as the anniversary gets closer? Why not at 31,000 right now? Inching up. Well, me personally, I'm also inching up. I've been taking those gas station rhinoceros pills and honey packets. Let's keep locking in, chat. Any thoughts on Salvador? Salvador. Man, can you guys stop making coins about this fucking kid, bro? Like, full respect, bro. I don't know anything about this kid's case, okay? I'm not here to insult anybody who's going through a tragedy, but just full disclosure, bro. Like, this kid looked like Curious George, bro. Like, this kid straight up kind of looked like E.T., bro. He got that Sid from Ice Age look, bro. I don't want to give that kid any money, bro. You said, is it going to zero? Brother, the coin's at 7,000 market cap. It's already at zero. It can't go there. It's already there. Man, I can't stand those charity coins. Tung 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 sahur. This thing topped out at $13 million market cap. Right now it's at 11 million. Tung 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 sahur. Triple T. Bouncing heavy from a dip all the way down to 8 mil. People have made a lot of money on this coin, but nobody actually has a six-figure P&L, despite the fact that this coin is up over $10 million market cap. The top P&L on this coin so far has been 80,000. 80,000. It's good money, but it's not 100,000. Yo, it's good to see you, Christ Energy. Welcome. Let's get a W in the chat. W in the chat. Show some love. Let's run it up. Tap that screen. Let's get those likes up. Let's keep pushing, chat. It's got to be some bangers. Apparently, we saw some bangers yesterday. We didn't even know it. World Cup coin going up 1.5 million. Had it on the stream yesterday at 20,000. We just missed it. We just missed it. A Mr. Beast coin at 107 million. Chat, they finally got the official, very real, for real, 100% true this time Mr. Beast coin. Chat, this is finally for real this time. Totally 100% true Mr. Beast coin. I promise you guys. Last time it was fake. The time before that it was a rug. The time before that it was a lie. But this time for real, this is the actual Mr. Beast coin. I could tell you guys because Mr. Beast is my cousin, chat. Mr. Beast is my cousin, and I told him, bro, it's time for you to launch a meme coin. That looks like an organic chart. That's what I'm telling you, bro. Think about it. If Mr. Beast launched a meme coin, wouldn't the chart look like this? You would have a crazy, tall green candle right at the start because everyone's hyped when they announce it. And then you got that slow and steady pump. Mr. Beast launched a coin, bro. Mr. Beast launched a coin. But, yeah, of course, for those of you who are without brain, I'm just being sarcastic. That's not real. What is Tame Impala doing? Basically, trading meme coins is more lucrative than making hit songs. So I'm trading meme coins instead of making hit songs. Mr. Beast, should I buy fast? No, do not buy Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast is a rug pull. What I was saying was a joke. That coin will steal your money. And the fact that you had to ask that question is disturbing, shocking, and honestly, a little bit scary. Look at this right here. Royal Pop, Swatch AP. This coin ran up to 2.6 million. Ended up rug pulling, but it's still at over $500,000 market cap. The Swatch X AP collab is one of the most popular topics in crypto right now. Everyone in crypto loves to pretend that they're rich enough to afford an AP. So they know a lot about APs. They know more about APs than people that actually own APs. So when you get a collab like this, that finally crypto investors can afford it, and it's an AP, it's a hit. Finally, they can afford it. So everybody's been talking about it. For the first time, the LARPers can actually buy an AP at retail sticker price. Let's keep looking around. Cade Dodd says, can Ynot coin run up today? Cade Dodd, why not, bro? Why not? You're copying 3? I'm telling you guys, the APX Swatch collab, they've already unveiled what it looks like. It's actually a pocket watch. It's not a wrist watch. It's a pocket watch. But I'm telling you guys, if you can buy them, they're probably gonna resell. Seems to be the word on the street. So try and get them. It's basically like printing free money if you can get them. When does it drop? That's a good question. I have no clue, honestly. Pulled out my retirement to ape into the Mr. Beast coin. Wish me luck. Oh, well, I pulled out my retirement to ape into Swatch X AP collab. This coin is called Hate Watch. A lot of you guys in my chat hate watch this very stream. Thing topped out at 200,000. Now it's 140,000. 2 hours old. You guys are hate watching me right now. So they finally made a coin for you. Save the 5 Eagles. Brand new coin. Man, you can't save those motherfuckers. They are dead, bro. They straight up got 5 dead birds and they said, save the birds. Bro, they're gone. Relax. Scam Altman taking another leg up. 1.5 million and pushing up. You hate watch this? Nice, bro. Shout out to all my hate watchers. Put a W in the chat if you're hate watching this stream right now. Let's keep locking in. Don't hate me because I'm beautiful, chat. I think Tolly posted Bernie again recently. Let's go take a look. Well, it's not trading like it. Coins all the way down to 8 million. This is the lowest price that they've seen since 24th of April. They've undone weeks of positive price action. Now this thing has absolutely flopped. They're in a tough spot. Pray for Bernie Sanders. No, the big drama in the ecosystem right now is that Solana has been posting a lot about a very particular project, a perps platform called Phoenix. Keep in mind, the Drift protocol, which was the biggest protocol for perps on Solana, just got hacked and rug pulled $300 million about a month ago. Now the entire Solana Foundation, including its staff and associates, founders, etc., are all bull posting another perps protocol called Phoenix. People have come out on the timeline and accused Solana of being out of touch. And they roasted Solana. Hyperliquid fans said that Solana were basically just chuds. And there's been a lot of beef. Which app is this? This right here is Axiom. AXIOM.trade. Axiom.trade. Welcome to the stream, everybody. It's a pleasure to have you guys. If you guys have not joined the Discord, it's totally free to join, always will be free to join, and you absolutely want to be in there, brothers and sisters. Trust me. That chat is popping. Popping. Bussing. Bursting at the seams, chat. Go and check it out. The calls have been on fire lately, bro. Tell me about it. Look at these numbers. We got the 15,000x. We got the 9600X, the 2600X, the 2300X, the 1900X, 1700X, 1600X. This is a free group. This group is free. This group is free. A lot of good numbers. You're waiting to verify? You don't have to wait, bro. You just gotta click the verify button. Click the verify button and then you're in there. The guy who created the Salvador coin met the kid and his family. He raised over 17K and posted proof. That's wonderful. That is splendid, bro. And I'm very glad that they were able to raise that money. Me personally, I can't be bothered, and I also don't give a fuck. I also just don't give a fuck, bro. That's my main thing. Let's keep pushing. You know, chat, around this time yesterday, we were chilling on the stream. We were relaxed. We were looking around the market. And I told you guys, I feel like a runner is going to spawn soon. A few moments later, out of the total quiet, the darkness of the market, Red Kitten Crew spawned. We watched it from its first migration all the way up to $10 million market cap. Right now it's at $9.3 million market cap. Here we're sitting again, and it's looking really quiet in the market. But just like yesterday, these were the same conditions, the same calm before the storm, before RKC dropped. There could be a real gem coming soon, chat. So keep your eyes open and stay alert. Stay alert. Welcome to the stream, everybody. It's good to have you guys. We're locked in right now. It's a Crypto Rap exclusive. Another day, another dollar. Where's the Discord link? Oh, it's right there. You say it's invalid? It's definitely valid, bro. Look, I put the link right there. Boom. Fuck. That shit's invalid? Bruh. Hell nah, chat, bro. My shit's invalid. Fuck. My shit's invalid, chat, bruh. That's why. Fuck. We need more boosts, chat. We need more boosts. We need one more server boost. We just need one more server boost. Fuck. Well, my bad, chat. I really wanted to give you guys the link, but I guess we're out of server boosts. We just needed one more. If we could just have one more. But you know, I got you with a temporary link right down there in the chat. That one should work for now. If you copy paste, pop that thing in there. This coin called Compute going pretty crazy, up to 80,000 right now after migrating about 40 minutes ago. Dex got paid not too long ago. A lot of KOLs in here. Beaver's in here heavy. Milady Cabal. Sented's fingerprints all over it. Chart's moving. Look at that. Hey, we just got the boost. We just got the boost, chat. Hey, shout out to Paladin for the boost. Why not coins at 200K? Nice, bro. I did that. Hey, good to see you, Austin. How you doing, bro? Chat, we've got the dev of good energy in the chat right now. The dev of good energy is in the chat right now. Show some love. He just wrapped up a very busy week of closing some high-profile deals, talking to major investor groups, partnerships, and building out the empire that is good energy. Shout out to good energy. Man, this coin right here is fucking mooning. Good. Good. Here's good energy right here. 450,000 market cap. The lowest market cap of any energy company in the world. Energy drink company. This is proportionally, this thing is intensely undervalued, not financial advice. W in the chat for good energy. Let's get a W in the chat for good energy. I'm drinking the yerba mate right now just because good energy isn't on the shelves yet. But soon. Soon. 3 days until pre-sales. How many days until a box shows up at my door, though? WWW. That's what I'm talking about, chat. The first ever on-chain energy drink on Solana. First ever on-chain energy drink on Solana. Paladin says, let me get that white cherry. Can't wait to order. Good energy. Respect. The people in the chat are hyped. Chat, would you like to get paid cryptocurrency for drinking an energy drink? Would you like to get paid cryptocurrency for drinking an energy drink? Hell yeah, bro. I got home okay. You really sent it. You drove quite a bit, huh? Sounds like the future of finance is the future of finance. I just want the healthy energy drink. Crypto is a bonus. That's real. That's real. Healthy energy drink. It goes a long way. Can I get paid energy drink for buying crypto? Kind of? Maybe? No? Yes? Maybe. No energy drink for running? You gotta do the energy drink, bro. Oh, you boosted the Discord? Oh, you did, bro. You're a legend. You're a legend. I appreciate you. Yeah, we've officially fixed the link. We've fixed the link. We did it, chat. We did it. How much are you up today? I made about 6, 7. I think I'm up about 6, 7. Trollnaldo at 104,000. That compute coin skyrocketed. Look at this. New all-time high. Oh my God, Candle. 150,000. We watched this thing rip up from the bottom. Wow. This thing is exploding right now, chat. Holy moly. Holy moly. They're going crazy in here, chat. Look at that. Wow. You were in 2 minutes before that candle. Respect. The crypto rap effect, chat. The crypto rap effect. We pull it up on my stream and suddenly it moons. It moons. Oh yeah, baby. Hey, welcome to the stream, everybody. This is a Crypto Rap exclusive, and I'm your host, Why Not? I'm the greatest crypto rapper of all time. We're locked in another day, another dollar, talking all things cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, decentralized finance, cryptographic encryption, Bitcoin, altcoins, meme coins, and everything in between coins. Total crypto market cap taking a step backwards after ranging up pretty confidently over the past few weeks. Bitcoin still above 80,000. ETH dropped under 2,300. BNB at 662, XRP 144, and Solana at 94. Solana was so close to hitting $100 per coin, but it stopped just shy and fell from there. Meme coin markets not quite back, but there's a little bit of motion, a little bit of pressure behind the scene, waiting for the right moment to explode. We saw it yesterday with the launch of the Roaring Kitty coin. Roaring Kitty's brother hacked his Twitter account and launched a meme coin from it. Now that coin's up at $9 million market cap. We watched it on my stream yesterday. From migration all the way up to $12 million at the top. An insane, explosive growth coming out of that. Now at 9 million. You never know, chat. It could be the quietest day in the market. You think everything's over. You think that nothing's going to happen. And then boom. Generational runner. All the big bag come back. A lot of money coming in. You can make a lot. I'm telling you, chat. You got to pay close attention. Pay close attention, because when you least expect it is when the generational bangers come. Man. I need a haircut, chat. That's why you quit your job? That's what I'm saying, chat. Quit your job. You gotta quit your job, okay? A job just gets in the way of cryptocurrency. Your job's never gonna make you rich. Your job is gonna keep you poor forever, okay? Crypto is gonna make you rich in ways that your job could never even hope to do. Think about how much your boss makes right now. Not how much you make, how much your boss makes, all right? Even if you work for the rest of your life and you get the job of your boss, you're still not going to make as much as you would if you had bought Fartcoin at an early market cap. If you had held a substantial amount of Boob token, you would make more than your boss. What's the CA of compute? Brother, do I look like fucking deck screener to you, bro? Do I look like fucking deck screener to you? I'm just some kind of machine that spits out the contract address of a token? Man, if you don't get your bitch ass fingers on your smelly ass keyboard and type up the name of the goddamn coin you're trying to get into, so help me God, bro, you will be sidelined until you die. How to identify a good project? You're looking for volume, you're looking for narrative, you're looking for distribution. Volume is the first cue that something is actually worth investing in, or worth investigating rather. When you see volume, you see Alice much fatter in person. This coin has a lot of volume. Right away it stands out above the crowd. The market cap is slow and steady, ranging upwards. That kind of looks decent. Dex is paid. It's another green flag. Narrative. This is when this girl's top donator came to visit her, or see her and meet her finally, and he said that she looked much fatter in person. A savage comment that went viral. So narrative is strong. As for distribution, bundlers, insiders, top 10, that stuff all looks bad. Other red flags, this coin had been launched 1 hour ago. 1 hour ago, someone had launched this exact coin with this exact image. So this is not original. This is just a repost. In fact, the dev had also relaunched this about 17 minutes ago, 2 minutes prior to this one right here. So this could very well, and probably is very well, a rug pull. But, you know, you play at the table with the cards that you're dealt, bro. That's how it goes, you know. Compute coin at 130 after topping out at 160K. Nortel says, "Are you that one short actor? Are you serious, bro? I'm pretty sure if you got two of that guy and they were standing on each other's shoulders with a large trench coat, I would still be taller." I'm pretty sure. How tall is Peter Dinklage? How tall is two Peter Dinklages on each other's shoulders? 8 feet, 10 inches? God damn, that motherfucker needs to be in the NBA. How tall is Peter Dinklage's wife? She's 5'6". She's normal height. Chat. You're telling me that this guy gets every single role for a short person in Hollywood, and then he tells Hollywood not to hire little people. He tells them to use AI-generated, computer-generated dwarves instead of real dwarves in the Snow White movie. This motherfucker gets the only role. He gets the only role. He tells them don't give any opportunity to any of the dwarves. And then he married a regular-sized person too. So he didn't even fuck with dwarves in the first place. He's not even with her. He's with a regular-sized, normal-sized person. He's not even dating a little person, chat. This guy is a traitor. This guy is a traitor. That's fucked up. Honestly. Compute God Candle, brand new all-time high, up at 210,000. I don't know, chat. I feel like I would be pissed if I was a little person. 210,000 at the top of Compute. Right now it's at 175. He's not a racist. He's a shortist. That's crazy. Chat, can you discriminate against someone based on their height? Wow, 220K right here. Look at that, chat. We might have found a banger. We were looking at this from a pretty low market cap. I think a little below 50K. It's the first time we pulled this up. Ran up quick. Ran up quick again. Chad, I don't think you guys are. I don't think you guys are as talented at technical analysis as I am. You know, I graduated from Wharton School of Business, most established, prolific business school in the world, and they taught me some insane technical analysis. Chat, like. This pattern was very popular in school. All right. Let's keep locking in. Yeah, that coin kind of rug pulled. This coin's kind of rug pulled. This coin's at the same market cap as it was 30 minutes ago. This coin's at the same market cap that it was yesterday. This coin is going down. Man, everything's fucked, honestly. Flop. Bro, why are you spamming the ticker of an 8.4 thousand market cap coin in my fucking chat right now, bro? I swear to God Almighty, why the fuck are you spamming the ticker for an 8,000 market cap coin right now, bro? For the sweet love of God and all that is holy, why should I not smack you across your dumb fucking head right now, bro? What is this? What is this? This is garbage, bro. Not the right one, he says. Not the right one. Yeah, man, I don't know. This one's not much better. This one's not much better, bro. 60K market cap. The meme is not even that good, honestly. The only thing that's a flop is you, bro. Your portfolio's a flop. Pump Fun has only ever shit on me, says Shizload. That's unfortunate. I'm sorry you feel that way, bro. You're not alone. Over 90% of traders on Pump Fun walk away without making a profit. You are in the majority. But still, that is a skill issue. You need only to get good before you make money on Pump Fun. Right now, you're not good. Right now, your only purpose in the market is to transfer your wealth to people like me, bro. Okay. Well, kind of in a tough spot right now, chat. Trying to think of what to do. I want to get my viewership up on the stream. Skill issue on new coins that have no history or utility. Got it. Yes. Yes. But that's okay, bro. That's okay. It's not your fault. Like I said, 90% of people lose. Look at Ynot. 31,000 market cap here on Ynot. Just lost 1,000 last night. Damn, bro. How did you even have 1,000 to lose? You come into my chat every single day and you say you lost money every single day. Every single day you come into my chat and you say you lost money, bro. How do you have so much money to lose if all you ever do is lose? Where does that money come from? Have you ever made money? Compute back up? Yeah, it's at 200,000 and climbing. 200,000 and jumping up. Clean little wick. Oh my goodness gracious. 250K right there at the top. Little God candle right there, chat. This thing is blowing up again. Hey, it's good to see you, Fluffy. How you doing? We gotta go even harder? That's true, bro. I gotta go even harder. But what makes you say that? Are you back home yet? You're supposed to come back home yesterday, right? Harder and harder and harder and harder. Nice. Welcome home, bro. Yep, we are locked in. Kay says, just started today. Any quick advice? Yes, Kay. Quit while you still have a chance. Quit before crypto chews you up and spits you out, bro. Orangey is going to make you his bitch. I'm telling you, bro, this is your last chance to turn back. Your last chance. Just don't do it, bro. Just don't fucking do crypto, bro. Whatever you do. Stock market, NASDAQ, S&P 500. You know what, bro? Buy some gold or some oil. Whatever you do, do not step foot in this God-forsaken wasteland, bro. Fucking God candles up here to 250K. This chart is surging right now, chat. Wow. Wow. $250,000 market cap. This thing went up like nobody's business. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, we are running it up and making a big bag every single day, chat. That's what I'm talking about. What is up, Kryptoni? Did you see unstable coin? Kryptoni, yes. $7 million market cap. Zoom out on this. $7 million market cap had a crazy wick up to 30 mil after sitting on a very low floor below 2 mil for a long time. Chat, this was a bit of a no-brainer. This was a bit of a no-brainer. The OG coins, whether it's Troll, Unstable, Neat, they've all been mooning. It's only a matter of time before the entire pump folio gets this treatment. And chat, do you guys know what's next? Chill House. Chill House. Chill House is the only pump folio token that hasn't had a 2026 revival pump. 2026 revival pump coming to Chill House, chat. You guys are not ready. Compute with a brand new all-time high, 260K right there, shoving upwards. Chart looks like a step ladder. Plague says he lost 20,000. Plague, gambling is bad, bro. Gambling is bad. Do not gamble. Gambling never made anybody rich, bro. Nobody ever made money from gambling. It's fun, maybe, but don't do it to make money. You see Nightcore, newer token, but holding pretty nice. No, I haven't seen Nightcore. Chat, what if I told you that you could change your life forever? What if I told you that one play, one trade, was all that it took to find financial freedom? What if I told you that you could escape your 9 to 5, leave it all behind, never work another day in your life, and live the life that you always dreamed of? Chat, that's very possible. And that trade is just one click away. What you guys don't realize is it's easier than you think to get rich. If you start with $100, it only takes 4 10 times trades in order to turn that into $1 million. You could be a millionaire this week. 4 10 times trades. There's gonna be 4 10 times trades in the market this week, for sure. No question about it. It's only a matter of finding them. There is $1 million inside of your phone, inside of your computer right now. You just need to click the right sequence of buttons in order to get it out of there. I'm telling you, chat, you have the opportunity to change your life. It's time for you to lock in. And that trade, that life-changing trade that allows you to quit your job and leave it all behind, that's just one click away. It's in that Discord right down there in the chat. Totally free to join. Always will be free to join. Look at this leaderboard right here. The numbers don't lie. A 15,000x. A 15,000x, chat. Just for reference, if you put $1 in, you make $15,000. You put $10 in, you make $150,000. Chat, you put on $100, you make $1.5 million. One trade. That's all it takes. That's all it takes. Chat, this group is totally free. It always will be free. It's right down there in the chat. It's beginner friendly. Go check it out. Go check it out. You could change your life forever. Right place, right time. The link is down there in the chat. I keep burning my wallet looking for the play. I'm telling you, patience is the most important virtue in cryptocurrency. Money does not come from impatience. Money comes from patience. You have to harvest tomorrow what you plant the seeds of today. A lot of you guys try to harvest and plant on the same day. It doesn't work, chat. Can't do it like that. It's not how you garden. That's not how you get a bounty. If you really want to make it, if you really want to elevate, escalate, and evolve, get to the next tier, level up your lifestyle, you got to be willing to hold. You got to do some deep research. You got to have conviction. You got to find quality. Again, 4 trades is all it takes. Turn $100 into $1 million. But those 4 trades, it's going to take a little bit of discernment, a little bit of perception and patience to find them. Give us a chance when your stream is done. Give what a chance? Hey, good to see you, King Jake. Can I DM you for the setup on filters? Bro, my filters are all 6'7", bro. 6'7", 6'7", 6'7", 6'7", 6'7". 6'7", 6'7", 6'7", 6'7", 6'7". Let's get it. Solana the Moose. FIFA just updated their mascot for the World Cup. Canada has a mascot named Solana the Moose. If that's true, chat, if that's true, then we just got another multi-million-dollar runner. If it's true that there is a mascot for the Olympics named Solana the Moose, we just got another multi-million runner. But there's no way that's true. There's no way that's true, in my opinion. Do we think the World Cup actually just named their character Solana? It's right here. Canada's official mascot for the World Cup is actually Solana the Moose. Hey, it's good to see you, Bullish Babe. Welcome. Chat, this is not a drill. I think this is real. Canada's mascot for the World Cup is named Solana. That's pretty bullish. That's pretty bullish. Why are the coins at 3K? That's what I'm wondering, bro. Like, this should be a generational runner, in my opinion. Maple is the moose? Wait, is the moose named Maple or the moose is named Solana? The moose might be named Solana, bro. 5K market cap right here. This one has the KOL bid. The moose is named Maple? If the moose is named Maple, then how come my shit says Solana, bro? Is it Maple or Solana? Canada Mascot World Cup 2026. Maple. It's Maple. Man, how the fuck did he get it to say Solana, bro? How did he do that? He changed the text on the website, chat. That's crazy. Roaring Kitty's brother hacked me? That's what I'm saying, bro. Fuck. I was not expecting that. I mean, it seemed a little too good to be true. I was like, for one, Solana has nothing to do with Canada. Like, I don't know why they would choose that as a name for a moose. But for two, I was just thinking, like, they know Solana is a cryptocurrency. Like, they know that naming the character Solana would make a meme coin. So I just felt like the intern was trying to make a quick buck and front run the narrative. Which, hey, get your bag, right? I think it would be super bullish if the Olympics had a mascot named Solana. That would be a pretty hot coin. So, is there a coin? There is, but it's a rug. AGI bottomed or cooked? Let's go take a look at AGI. You're talking about this one, right? Autistic Genius Intelligence. Look, unless he tweets again or mentions again this exact phrase, I think it's cooked. Unless they mention again, I think it's cooked. Is there anything I can help read screen? So much info I'm working with, not so many cells. Not so many cells? Not so many brain cells? You're telling me there's too much information on the screen because you are not working with too many brain cells. Ma'am. Sir. That's lobotomized behavior, bro. But it's true. There is a lot of information on the screen. There's only 3 things you need to pay attention to. The name of the token, all right? The name of the token is the white. That's what you see in white. The white name. And it's the name of the token, right? That's really important. That combined with the image represents the narrative. That's the identity of the coin. What is the coin about? The other thing that's important to look at is volume. That's the other white number that you see right there on the right. On the right side of every coin, you see a white number. That's volume. Volume is really important. You want more volume. More is better, okay? Lastly, you're looking at the little red and green numbers. These are your distribution numbers. So these are how much the top 10 holders are holding. This is how much the dev holds, sniper holds, insiders hold, bundle hold, etc. The greener that stuff is, the better. The lower it is, the better. So you want coins with good narrative, with high volume, and with healthy distribution. If you got that, then you're there. It's a lot of information, but that's what you want, bro. It's better to have more information than less. And that's very simplified, right? There's dozens of characteristics to look at and that you can try and see to see if a meme coin will be successful. But you just gotta keep trading until you figure it all out. Can you join my Discord? Yes, please, bro. It's totally free. Always will be free. I look forward to having you in there. I would love to have you in there. I would delight my soul if all of you in my chat right now would join that Discord. It would bring a flutter to the butterflies in my chest. Chat, please. Let's keep locking in. Thanks for the follows. I appreciate that. You already know what the fuck going on, chat. This is a Crypto Rap exclusive. Trollcoin fell under 100 million, now at 97.7 after topping out over 120. Actually hit 150 for a second. Previous all-time high on this was 288. I just don't understand this. Well, you just got to keep practicing, you know? What part don't you understand, bro? These are meme coins. Anybody can make them about anything. People are trading them. They don't have any real value, but they just pretend they have value. People are trading attention. People are trading narrative. They're trading things because they think that those things are going to be successful and that other people will like them and pay attention to them and want to buy them as well. You're trading trends. You're trading news. You're trading speculation. It's all made up, but it should all be familiar. It's memes, it's culture, it's internet. Same stuff that you see all day on TikTok. And if you get good at it, then you make a lot of money. It's good to see you, Purple Bitcoin. I got my Bitcoin keychain right here. It's not purple though. This is an orange Bitcoin. But you already know. Hey, I'm from the UK and I joined your Discord, but I have to use Axiom. Well, I use Axiom. You don't have to use Axiom. Anybody can use whatever they want, bro. As long as you can swap one coin for another, you can make $1 million. This coin is called I Like the Coin. This thing's at 60,000. It's going pretty crazy. It's a relatively new coin. Chart does nothing but go up. Seems like it might actually be based on this. Oh. It's based on the Roaring Kitty's original testimony, where he says that he likes the coin. but he says that he likes the stock. He says that he likes GameStop. I'm new here, man. What's going on here? Well, basically, we're trading meme coins. We can't use Pump Fund. Thank you. You have given me more confidence. I've lost so much and plan to come out on top. You're going to make it, bro. Yeah, you don't have to use Pump Fund. Use Jupiter. If you're going to trade on your phone, use Jupiter. Do you ever buy any? Not on my stream. I don't trade on my stream. GameStop going to pull what real GameStop did? You mean the GameStop token? Yeah, I don't think so. UK have so many rules. That's real. Yeah, there's basically no fun allowed in the United Kingdom. We did an update on the website. Check it out. Let's go look at the new update on Purple Bitcoin's website, chat. Connecting to the Purple Network. Boom. Hey, thanks for joining my super club, bro. I appreciate that. Bitcoin reimagined. Purple. Very sleek website. You had PBTC trucks in Miami? That's funny. I was out there in Miami. Did you have team members out there at the conference? I was there. Should have given me a sticker. How much have you actually made today? Chat, how much have I made today? Type it in the chat. Type in the chat. How much have I made today? Just today. Just today. Type it in the chat. $6.7 million. 6.7 million. 6.7 million. 6.7 million. Your brother from Co-Unity, Tommy, was in Miami conference. Nice. Yeah, I was out there too. I might have seen him. It was a good time. I really enjoyed it. You already know what the fuck going on, chat. More than a doctor's salary. 6.7 million type shit. This coin Bufo. 450,000 on this frog. It's ranging upwards like crazy. God candling out after hitting a pretty low market cap of 36,000. Are you not allowed to talk about it on TikTok or something? To talk about what? Yo, let's keep going. How much you made? Oh, no, it's just more fun to have you guys do it. You guys have to understand the metrics that TikTok care about in order to give me more viewers. They care about how many unique people are typing in my chat and how many likes there are. So every message in my chat goes a long way, especially if you haven't sent a message yet. And every time you guys tap the screen, that also goes a long way. Yo, welcome to the stream. It's a pleasure to have you guys. This is a Crypto Rap exclusive, and I'm your host, Why Not, greatest crypto rapper of all time. We're locked in the trenches, another day, another dollar. Hantavirus at $3.8 million market cap after topping out at 18 mil. I think this news story is running out of steam a little bit. So this might just go down. This might just go down. Might be pretty cooked, actually. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate that. Let's keep going. Gabi was claimed by an OpenAI affiliate. Here's Gabi. Brother, this coin is at 16,000 market cap. I don't care if this coin was claimed by Sam Altman himself. This thing is fucking slop. Send this shit straight to zero, bruh. Send this shit straight to zero. Slop ass coin, bro. Gobby. More like slobby on my knobby, bro. That's what I'm saying. Check Bufu out. You mean Bufo? Too much motion in the market right now for 16K market cap coins with that length of time. That's what I'm saying, bro. If the narrative was actually worth it, people would ape. Doritos posted chip earlier because chip stocks are mooning. The entire narrative is just chip. This guy launched chip coin. Chip coin just migrated 30,000 market cap and is going crazy. Everyone's just saying chip, chip, chip. Chat, type chip in the chat right now. Type chip in the chat right now if you're in the chip army. All of my chippers in the chat, get chippy. Type chip. That's what I'm talking about, chat. And then they made a coin called blue chip. Blue chip right here at 32,000. Yo, 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 you already know what the fuck going on, chat. We're locked in right now. These chip coins are going crazy, but low-key the other one rug pulled. All memes are rugs? Oh yeah? Tell that to my cat, bro. If all memes are rugs, tell that to my cat, bro. He's a #1 top prolific meme coin trader. And you're his exit liquidity. This guy runs drill bundles with over 40 different multi-wallets. I'm telling you guys. Bro, why you look like Justin Bieber? Bro, you think I look like Justin Bieber? Justin Bieber, hello? Chat, do I look like Justin Bieber? Chat, put a W in the chat if you think I look like Justin Bieber. W in the chat if you think I look like Justin Bieber. Let's see it. Wow. That's crazy. Is it too late now to say sorry? Rainbow fish back from the brink. Chat. This coin fell all the way down to 100,000 market cap. Finally, after 4 months, they finally got their X account back. It has been restored. After this account got infamously deleted a long time ago, this coin saw as low as 30,000 market cap. Now it's up to 1 million at the top. Instant rebound, instant green candle. The account is officially back, chat. And this is major. This is major. Look at that God candle right there. Finally, they are back. It took such a long time. Hey, Henry, did you buy Five Guys with the money I sent you? I sent you some money to get some Five Guys. Please tell me you got the burger, bro, right? You had Five Guys today? Nice. Chat, I gave Henry enough money so that he could go and buy Five Guys. And then he went and had Five Guys today. That is the power of watching my stream. If you guys show up, if you're dedicated members of my community, you watch my stream every day, you're active in the Discord group, and you are a member of the Crypto Rap family, then I will personally buy you a burger from Five Guys for your lunch, chat. That's how it goes. I look out for my people. If I'm eating, then we're all eating, chat. Henry has been a member of the Crypto Rap community for over 3 years now. 3 years of his life that he's dedicated to locking in the trenches, to watching my streams, and to trading in the Discord. Now, I bought him Five Guys. I bought him Five Guys. I'm telling you. What time you start streaming? Pretty much whenever I feel like it. Feed the fam, that's the way to go, bro. You know how to feed the fam. What other creator will do that? Just why not? That's what I'm saying. It's because you guys don't understand. Henry has an unnatural, unusual obsession with Five Guys. Obsession with Five Guys. Are the maids vacuuming? No, that's actually the Gluck Gluck 9000. We just fired it up under my desk right now. I'm getting the sloppiest toppy that you could ever imagine. All right. That was a real toe curler, chat. It was a real toe curler. Jarvis, clip that shit. Shrimp fans kicking on, purging the system. That's right. All of my shrimp maxis in the chat. Drop a shrimp emoji in the chat if you're really shrimping out right now. Shrimp emoji in the chat if you're really shrimping out right now. That's what I'm talking about. Everybody's looking for the shrimp emoji on their keyboard. They don't even know where that shit is. Chat, if you do not have the shrimp emoji hotkeyed or saved in your most recent, then I don't know what to tell you. You guys are not going to make it. Look at that right there. Wow, 40,000 market cap on chip. It's still pushing up. We watched this since pre-migration. 46,000 now, 47,000. The ticker is chip. We got all the shrimps. We got the baked shrimp and the raw shrimp dropped in the chat right now. Shout out to the shrimp army. Hey, it's good to see you, Bailey. Good to see you, caveman. We're locked in right now. Another day, another dollar. Riding the lightning, so to speak, on this 50,000 market cap shitcoin based on a Dorito tweet. This is definitely going to zero pretty soon, and it's almost certainly a scam and a rug pull, but fuck if I won't make a big bag off this shit before it rugs. Let's keep locking in, chat. Do you guys hear the music or not? What do you think about a certain gorilla dying 10 years ago this month? A certain gorilla dying 10 years ago this month. Chat, it is the 10-year anniversary of the tragic passing of Harambe. The tragic passing of Harambe 10 years ago. You can see Rico has been leading the charge, bull posting, tweeting this every single day, sending this chart right up to 2 million, where I'm sure he full stack sold his entire clip. Now it's at 1.43 million. Look, I love Harambe. Few gorillas have had the impact on human society that Harambe has had. Harambe has to be, without a doubt, probably the most famous gorilla of all time. And that's really impressive. I've lost $150. What do you think I should buy more Solana? Yes, bro. If you lost $150, that means that you are prime exit liquidity. You need to keep buying more Solana. Trade more meme coins. We need your exit liquidity in the trenches. Trenches are so dry right now, bro. We need every penny we can get. I don't care if it's 150 or 1,500, bro. Come and trade so we can take your money on chain. Let's keep logging in. Top blasters, welcome. Retail, welcome. Let's keep logging in. Hantavirus with a little bit of a god candle, wicking up 2 million market cap in just one 30-minute period. Looks like they got some motion on here. I remember, me personally, I was diagnosed with hantavirus when I was 4 years old. 4 years old. And it gave me permanent brain damage. That's how I became a crypto investor. Let's keep locking in. It's got to be a banger out here somewhere. Blue chip, low-key went parabolic. 90,000 right here. 120,000 on the top. This is a 10-month-old coin for some reason popping off right now. Huh. Chat, what are we up to right now? Everybody type in the chat, what city are you watching from right now? Type in the chat, what city are you watching from? Type it in the chat and look at where everyone's from. Type it in the chat. What city are you guys tuning in from right now? Look at everyone all over the world. We got people from Dallas, from Bmore, Northport, Fredericton, Chicago, London, Huntsville, Alabama, Edinburgh, Compton, Park City, Halifax, Pittsburgh, Nigeria, that's not a city, Diddy City, New York, Honolulu, Gary, Indiana, Cairo, Colombo, South Yorkshire. We got Dubai, Bali, Indonesia, Corsica. We got Oslo in the house, Michigan in the house, Kenya in the house, Beverly Hills in the house. Yo, we got everybody from all over the world. It's good to see you guys. This is a Crypto Rap exclusive, and this is a global phenomenon. You guys need to stop and think. People from all over the world here in the chat right now. This is not your average stream, not your average trading, not your average stock day trading bonds Forex investor. This is not no Robin Hood shit, okay? Crypto is universally appealing. It's accessible to everybody. People all over the world come together for one industry, for one opportunity. Everyone ready to run up a bag, chat. That's you guys. Are you ready to run up a bag? This coin is called Split or Steal. Split or Steal. Every 10 minutes, 2 random holders get thrown into a private room together. They have 3 minutes to talk, say whatever they want, make promises, build trust, or lie. Then they vote. You hear this, chat? Play at splitorsteal.xyz. Yeah, this shit is such a LARP, I'm not gonna lie. This is a max LARP. Yo. Welcome to the stream, everybody. It's a Crypto Rap exclusive. What's up, bro? I appreciate the roses, everybody. You keep getting farmed? Well, how do they keep farming you, bro? Maybe you should like give me your seed phrase or your private key or something, bro. Then I can make sure that you don't get farmed. Is there any crazy runner like yesterday? No, not really. Not yet, at least. Where do you trade? This right here is Axiom. AXIOM.trade. Axiom. 40,000 now on the top on blue chip. Blue chip. Doc says, Ynot is one of the safest holds I've ever had. Respect, bro. Ty says, got you. Hold up. I'll give you my private key. Add my wallet and trade on it for me. 1000x me, please. I got you, bro. And this goes for any of you guys in the chat. Any of you guys in the chat. If you want me to 1000x your portfolio totally free of charge, automatically, instantly, within 1 day or less, you just give me your private key and I will automatically 1000x your portfolio no matter what. Just type it in the chat. In fact, type it in the chat right now and I will 1000x your portfolio for free. Just give me your private key and make sure you guys have it all nice and loaded up. Remember, the more you have in there, the more that you get back when I 1000x it. So try and put in as much as possible. I look forward to seeing your guys' private keys in my chat. That's yours? Nice. Thanks, bro. Chat, there's the first one in the chat. Everybody, go and steal his Solana. He got free Solana in that wallet right there. All you have to do is open that wallet. That's free Solana right there. Go rob him. Everybody, go steal his money right now. Mystica hit blue chip at 17,000. Nice. Ye, formerly Kanye West, is reportedly in advanced talks to perform in Israel, chat. Kanye West is going to perform in Israel. What do we think? Bullish? Bullish? Very bullish. Very bullish, chat. It's very bullish. Speaking of very bullish, we've been cooking up multi-hundred X's in our free Discord. Totally free to join. Always will be free to join. We have the best leaderboard in all of crypto. Best call leaderboard in all of crypto. 15,000X, 9,600X, 2,600X, 2,300X. This is a free group. Make sure you guys are in there. Be there or be square. We also give away free Solana every group, every week. Give away a Solana yesterday. That dude that pulled 2 mil, how much was he able to withdraw? Probably 2 mil. W community, W community. Yep. Send community link. I got you, bro. It's right down there in the chat. Discord.gg/YNOT. You copy that, you paste it in your browser. It's totally free to join. Always will be free to join. Go check it out. It is the best free community in crypto. I see a couple people joining there. We've actually had a few dozen people join literally just since I started this stream. Every day it's growing by more and more people. It's been around over 4 years. There's over 11,000 people in there. It's the best community in crypto. Deep red candle here on Red Kitten Crew. This thing's topped out at 11 mil. Fell all the way down to 7. All the way down to 7. Goon Bank Skibbity might toast Ohio toothpaste. Gibberish Moonpick cable remote. Is that your seed phrase? You had Skibbity in your seed phrase? Wow. That's pretty impressive. Chad, he had Skibbity in his seed phrase. Chat, we are giving away 30 Bitcoin in the Discord. Make sure you guys are in there. 30 Bitcoin that we're giving away in the Discord for free. Be there or be square. You don't want to miss out. What crypto will the Clarity Act help the most? Definitely XRP, bro. XRP. What are the criteria to get some of those BTC? Well, it's part of an initiative called BTC for BBC, bro. I think you can assume what the criteria might be. $60,000 and climbing here on blue chip. Insane motion jumping up here on the chart. Pretty impressive. Wow. Look at that. Have I used the FOMO app? Honestly, I have not. I kind of want to, though. Don't use it until I have a sign-up code for you, bro. You got in blue chip at 17K? Nice, you're up. My seed phrase is peanut, vehicle, donut, microphone, speed, house, generational fumble. Nice. I like how you had the word nut in there twice, bro. including peanut. I know you wrote peanut because you had peanuts at Five Guys yesterday, bro. I know that you had the peanuts at Five Guys yesterday, bro. No? Henry, you know, Bailey is also from the UK, bro. We got a lot of UK people in our community. When are you guys going to do a crypto rap UK meetup? They gave you free fries with the app? Nice. Crypto rap UK meetup? Or that's just going to be when I come out there in November? I mean, I'll definitely be out there in November. We'll get some Five Guys. Yep, Solana Breakpoint. It's going to be a movie. I've got to try burger sauce. What is burger sauce? You're going to steal my hat live in London? If you come near me, bro, I swear I will laser beam you off the planet. I'll go Super Saiyan on you, bro. Shotty slopping it up. Let's keep locking it on. FIFA condoms. Royal flop? Nice, bro. That's original and funny. Do you ever trade yourself or just look at coins? Well, I don't trade on my stream, if that's what you're asking. Nobody pays me enough to trade on my stream. Yeah, it's because it's a pocket watch, not a wristwatch. Yeah, you know what? It's better that way, bro. I think we should bring pocket watches back, honestly. You guys love pocket watching. You guys pocket watch in my chat all the time. You guys are in my chat every day asking PNL, PNL, PNL. Now finally they made a pocket watch for you guys since you guys love to pocket watch so much. Fucking bitch ass fools. I'm saying. How do you find my Discord? It's right down there in the chat. Totally free to join. Always will be free to join. You just copy paste that link, put it in your browser. Go check it out. Best free community in crypto. Growing every single day. Yeah, the train conductor look. I'm telling you, bro. That's that Polar Express swag. We got that Polar Express swag. Free lobsters for all new members? Yeah, that's true. Okay, everybody that joins the Discord right now, everybody that joins the Discord for the first time within the next 5-10 minutes, you guys are getting free lobsters. Free, freshly cooked, boiled, buttered Maine lobster, chat. Everybody that joins the Discord right down there within the next few minutes, you guys are getting free lobster. Fresh, cooked, steamed, boiled, broth, wonderful, delicious lobster. I'm telling you guys. Yeah, Achilles is running 75K. Topped out at 115K. Wow, nobody actually joined the Discord. Seems like you guys don't actually want any lobster. It's crazy. Guess that's why you guys are broke. Shout out to the United Kingdom. Yeah, I got you, Leo. I got you. I'm gonna pull up. I owe you a lobster, bro. I owe you a lobster. I'll join if you tell me what token you made 6.7 million on. It was called Dog with Hat, bro. Dog with Hat. But instead of a dog, it was a lobster. 40,000 on FIFA condoms. We were just looking at this at 15,000. Now it's starting to wick up a little bit. Shoot those shots, chat. Shoot those shots. Look at that God candle. 40K now. Things going crazy. A little bit of motion on this. FIFA condoms, chat. You see that? Look at that. Wow. Lego is what I made it on for sure, bro. I hit so big on Lego. Shawty saw my Lego coin stack. Now she won't Lego. Look at that. 43,000 at the top. Who's dude in the Discord talking about he was scammed? Someone's in the Discord talking about they were scammed? Oh, goddamn. Damn, he's accusing Perion of scamming? That's crazy, bro. We got haters in the chat. Haters in the chat. Got drama in the Discord right now, chat. You do not want to miss this drama. Trust me. Sipping on Dom Perignon for no reason. Look at this. 6.4 million at the top of Hantavirus. Starting to see a little bit of a resurgence right here. 3 million at the bottom. It's starting to catch some motion and range up. Almost tripling from the bottom. And we are trickling that Solana down to you guys right now in the trenches. Looking for the hottest and freshest plays. There's got to be some bangers out here somewhere. What is up, chat? Welcome to the stream. It's a pleasure to have you guys. We're locked in right now. This is a Crypto Rap exclusive. Where's the verify button in the Discord? It's in the verify channel. There's a red button. It says when rap. It's like the bottom message or maybe the second message. Just click that button. Yep. Much love, chat. I appreciate you guys. This is a Crypto Rap exclusive. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Pump.fun. Let's go and see who the top stream is right now on Pump.fun. Who is the top stream on the #1 meme coin trading platform of all time? Who could possibly be the featured front page top #1 highlighted streamer on this platform with hundreds of millions of dollars of volume every single day? Who could it be, the #1 featured, most famous, saucy, swaggy, best program available here, highlighted front and center on the page of a platform with $1 billion in revenue? And why the fuck won't that shit load? Let's keep locking in. FIFA condoms still ranging up. Man, this shit just doesn't work. Oh, there it is. It's me, chat. It's me. I'm the #1. And that's my boy. Hey, that's my boy. That's my boy from G-Back. I met him out in Miami. Me and him are going to do a collaborative stream soon. We're going to give away free money to people on the streets. Elon tweeted skills. All right, this is not a drill, chat. This is not a drill. Elon Musk has officially tweeted. Also, there's a new strain of hantavirus. This shit's going crazy. OPEG, Octopeg. OPEG. A lot of you in my chat been getting OPEG'd by the market. Yar. You live in the trenches? We live from the trenches right now, chat. You already know what the fuck going on. Alright, I'm gonna end the stream right now since the momentum's kind of stalling a little bit. I'll be back later. Thanks for tuning in. This has been a Crypto Rap exclusive. God bless you. God bless your portfolio. Do me a huge favor. Join that Discord if you're not in there already. It's the best free community in crypto. Totally free to join. Always will be free to join. Peace out until the next time. It's been a pleasure. You're selling Supreme for 1.4 Sol? What Supreme is it, bro? Solana for Supreme. We in Miami turning up another night. I'm telling you, chat. You guys are not lit like we are. You are not lit like we are, chat. Thanks for tuning in. This has been a Crypto Rap exclusive. God bless you. God bless your portfolio. We're all going to make it. We in Miami turning up another night. Peace out. It's been a pleasure. Make sure you guys join the Discord if you're not in there already. We will be back and battered than ever, getting started very soon.